Hi there, if you are wondering how you can make money online using Pinterest, in this video I'm going to show you 13 different ways beginners can make hundreds or even $1,000 using Pinterest. And now let's begin with the first method, that is get more traffic to your website. It's one of the best ways to make money online using Pinterest by promoting your website. You can do that either by put your link of your website in the link of the bio, or you can promote your articles individually as pins. And of course, this way has two advantages. First one, you can get backlinks from trustworthy website that has a wonderful domain authority, and that reinforces your SEO and your ranking on Google search results. And the second advantage, you can leverage the traffic to make money online if you're running ads on your website using Google AdSense or Midvine or any ad company. So the first way to make money online using Pinterest is by promoting your website and get huge traffic to it. And the second way, likewise, you can promote your YouTube channel and your YouTube videos. It's an awesome way to get more traffic from Pinterest to your YouTube videos and earn money from Google Ads. Here you can insert your link of your channel on your bio and promote your YouTube videos individually on Pinterest, like this amazing pin that has great engagement with likes, comments, and so on. So imagine how the huge traffic from this pin to this content creator's YouTube channel. And the third way, of course, there are many authors and many writers, they don't own their blogs, so they write articles in some websites that provide what's so-called partner program. Here you can monetize your articles according to their rates. There are some websites out there like that, such as medium.com or vocal.media. You can promote your Medium articles on Pinterest to get more traffic, or in other words, more reads to your articles and your stories, then more earning money. And the fourth way is affiliate marketing. It's one of the best and the most popular method to make money online using Pinterest by promoting different affiliate products. And of course, you can do that by different ways. The first one, you can insert your link in bio in Pinterest that contains a landing page that involve different affiliate products. Second way, you can promote some Amazon products directly by inserting your Amazon affiliate link. The third way, if you join different programs rather than Amazon, you can actually use what's so-called landing pages. That is, you can take it as a ground between your audience on Pinterest and your affiliate product. And of course, I will leave down below in the description box in the first comment a huge list of the landing page makers for free, like Google.sites and so on. And the next way is CPA offers. Likewise, it's similar to promoting some affiliate products. Then you've got to join some websites out there like CPA Grip, Max Pound 2 to get some target CPA offers and promote them on Pinterest. And for that, you've got to use landing pages to promote these CPA offers. And the next way, quickly, that is digital products. Of course, we all know digital products is a downloadable product that if any client has this link, he will click over it and your digital product will be downloaded immediately on their devices. And they are different from the physical products that need pack-in, transfer, and something like that. And your digital products could be ebooks, images, music files, articles, PLR documents, cheat sheets, and so on. Therefore, you can upload them in some websites like Gumroad, Kofi.com, and so on. Then promote all of these products using Pinterest.com. I will leave down below in the description box the first comment an amazing list of the best free digital products websites. And the next tool quickly is a freelancer. If you are working as a freelancer on some websites, platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, or some specialized websites like Behance or Dripples, where you can provide a gig or a service, So you can get more traffic from Pinterest to your accounts on these websites. Therefore, you can promote your gig on Fiverr on Pinterest. That could be making YouTube thumbnails, making beautiful and brilliant prompts, create different arts, and so on and so forth. And the next tool quickly is print on demand. It's one of the smoothest way on Pinterest to promote your items like fashion, clothes, and so on. Thus, if you are working on print on demand platform like Redbubble, Spreadshirt, Merch by Amazon, so it's a must to promote your items on Pinterest to get more traffic to your account and your store, where people can buy different print on demand items, starting with stickers, passing through t-shirts, tank tops, and even home decor. So you can get more traffic to your print on demand store and make money online indirectly using Pinterest. And the next tool quickly, that is app download. Of course, there are different businesses and different enterprises that provide an app that provide value to some target people, and therefore they use Pinterest to get more traffic to their app, where people can download it to their Android phones, iPhones, and so on. And of course, you can see that in different niches and different fields. And the next tool quickly, that is cross promotion. Of course, you can find different pins and different Pinterest accounts that make their pins to promote their social media accounts like on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and so on. And you can call that as a cross promotion. So you can get more followers on different social media to enhance your social presence on different social media that make you easier to be verified on these such platforms, or it's easier for you to deal with your customers by direct messages on Instagram, so you can get more traffic from Pinterest to your specific Instagram account. And the next way quickly, that is email marketing. So you can use Pinterest.com to make your email list by making and providing some different offers, free services, and in return you can ask your audience and your followers to join your newsletter or your email list to provide them with new updates, tips, tricks, and so on and so forth. The next way is get donations. Insert your donations link in your LinkedIn bio. That could be Buy Me Coffee or Patreon.com and so on. And the final way to make money online by using what's called online coaching. And of course, you can see this way in some fields and niches like fitness, bodybuilding, keto weight loss, and so on. By the end of the video, you know 13 different ways to make money online through Pinterest.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.